To look closely at the fires and the aftermath. And one thing we've been hoping for, Steve, is the rain, and we are getting it right now.
Whether we want it or not, it's here probably for the next 9 months. No, I'm saying that jokingly. Let's hope not. But yeah, we could certainly use the rainfall, especially for those burn scar areas, but not too much rain. That's the key. Too much at once, of course, leads to the heightened risk of landslides too. Okay, 60 degrees down in Lincoln City. That is a gray shot. A lot of chop there on the ocean today. Was to be expected. I think the highest winds for you folks down there along the coast have already passed, but I think there's still a chance that once we get into the valley, we'll see those higher winds here in the next hour with the frontal passage. West-northwest wind at 3 at Seaside. That's a good indication that the front has just passed there as well. Looks like the rain has backed off a bit there. But back here in the Rose City, the rain has not let up, and if anything, it's going to pick up over the next hour or two as that front sags south and east. 63 degrees right now. South-southeast wind at 9 miles per hour, and you see that rain continues there on your evening planner. Okay, current wind speeds along the coast have backed off a little bit, and they're lighter in the northern end of the valley, but stronger down the southern end of the valley. They had some warm temperatures down there from about Salem south today. I'll show those to you in just a minute. Okay, a lot of activity on the radar as that front pushes onto the coast this evening. Southwest Washington, folks up there from Battleground north up into Cowlitz County, areas east of Longview, Kelso, really picking up on the rainfall. You folks in those elevated areas at the foot of the Cascades, you're really going to see a lot of rainfall in the next couple hours as that front still hangs off the coast and is just pushing onto the coast now and will clear through the area this evening. Updated rainfall amounts are 3/10 of an inch in both Portland and Vancouver. Now up to almost 1.5 inches out there at Astoria, 6/10 of an inch at Newport. Again, that's all going to shift to the south this evening. 63s at Portland and Vancouver. Still 71 in Salem. You're going to start to cool down here pretty quick as the rain has just begun there. And 74, that was down from in the lower 80s in our last hour. The rain will pick up for you folks in Eugene coming up. Okay, there's that system that pushed through today. We've got another system. Here's 1 a.m. Friday, another system lining up. It won't be as strong as the one today. It'll push through fairly quickly on the day, during the day on Friday. Okay, I do expect, here's 6 o'clock tonight. I expect those winds to pick up, gusting to maybe 30 miles per hour in the valley, and then it'll clear out later on this evening fairly quickly. There's that moderate rainfall we see over us right now. We'll push this forward. Here's 9 o'clock tonight. You see that system pushing through the metro area and off into the Cascade foothills. A lot of scattered showers behind it on Thursday, chance of thunderstorms as well. And then that next system moves in Friday morning, and that pushes through Friday afternoon. A lot of scattered showers Friday night into Saturday before we can finally dry things out. Okay, maybe another 2/3 of an inch or so coming up overnight tonight, and then a little bit more as we get into that system on Friday. 7-day forecast. Showers on Thursday, Friday back to some rain, although it won't be as prolonged as today or as heavy. Scattered showers on Saturday, and then Sunday, partly cloudy, 72. I think that's Dan's dry day to get his yard work done. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe he can get those days off too.
It's so nice of you, Steve, to offer to help me. I really appreciate it. Very nice of you. You get up on the high ladder.
Okay.
Coming up next.